All right. So when we're using the ladder method, right, to find the GCF and the LCM, we're kind of familiar with using it to find the GCF. So the strategy is going to be pretty much the same. You're going to find the smallest prime number that divides both of your target numbers, right? So if our example off to the side over here, let's move it up a little. Our numbers are 12 and 18, right? We're going to find the smallest prime number that divides both of those numbers, and we list it off to the left. So you can see that's where this 2 right here came from. So then what's going to happen is you're going to list the number that makes that factor pair with your prime, right? So when we're thinking about this 2 right here next to the 12 and the 18 on our top rung of our ladder, we need to know, well, what's the pair with 2 to hit 12? Well, we see it's 6. And what's the pair with 2 to hit 18, our other target number? Well, it's 9. So you end up putting those numbers right underneath your ladder, if you will, below those larger numbers you're working with. You're going to continue those steps, step 1 and step 2, until you can't find any more primes, right? So we did it again here where we say 6, 9, are they prime? No, they're not prime. They share 3 as a common factor. So we need to find the pairs. 3 times what gets us 6? Well, that's our 2. And then we have 3 times 3 right here. Bing, gets us 9, our target there. So now that we've done that, right, and we can't find any more primes, we found 2 and we found 3 to divide by, then what we're going to do is we're going to use the GCF on the left, right? And then we can multiply our numbers over here on the left for GCF. So 2 times 3, that becomes your prime string there. To find the LCM, you're going to multiply the L, bing, 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 for LCM. You're going to multiply all those primes in that whole string there together to find the least common multiple of 12 and 18. So 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. And then we have 12 times 3, which gets you 36. Okay. So feel free to refer back to this slide here. It'll be in your slide deck. You can make those changes in there with these blank sort of empty boxes. Hopefully you've done that as we've gone along, or you can go ahead and make yours match now. And these slides, again, will be in your notes, so you're welcome to go back to them. Use each other, right, as you're kind of figuring it out, and have some fun.